Saturday at the resorts near the beach or the ocean. I meet up a friend, hang out for a moment, and then head back home. It was a long drive, but nice view. Who's ready for pool time? Is Scooper ready? Oh my gosh. We tried to tape it to the car because we don't have the string, and he ended up holding it anyways. I'll take it off later. But here we are, nice and breezy. It's kind of cold for me, but I got a sweater, so that's good. Look at all these electric cars and the way it's like everywhere. Oh my goodness. Strings. Ooh, cha-cha. Yeah, I think the lobby's over there somewhere. Let go. We are coming up on the roundabout, which is the lobby. And I think I'm gonna meet my friend at the front. She's waiting. She thinks I'm lost. Oh my gosh. There she is. Hi! How are you? Hi, good, how are you? Oh my God. Scooper! You wanna say hi? Say hi!
Follow your lead. Hi.
Oh my God. He was waiting, but then he had to go in there to do a little work.
Alright, we're gonna go for a quick dip in the pool and then go back and hang out some more. Nice view, cute resort, kids everywhere. Okay, who's ready to go swimming? Yay!
It's like a slide.
I know. You gotta go in. Oh my gosh. Brian, you have to like put him in because he's fighting it.
Okay, baby. Ooh. Okay. I feel like a lot of girls are that way. They get traumatized. Woo! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. I just want you to go out.
Okay.
One of my friends told me, like, the day you stop celebrating holidays,
Okay. Let's go all the way in.
it's warm. I gotta get up.
Yeah.
A little acclimated. Yeah, you still have to get exactly. You have to do New Year's. You have to do Halloween. You gotta celebrate.
Yay. Yay.
You okay now, right?
Yay. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Yay.
Yay.
Yeah. Watch your step here, okay? Don't be walking out here, you're gonna end up drowning. No way.
So we have some fruits, thanks to Tex, and some trail mix. Cooper's living that life, huh? Look at him. Cheers. Cheers with everyone. Cheers. Cheers. Scooper dance. Look at it. He's doing his happy
Where
dance.
did you guys get it? Is that Redondo? Bevmo, okay.
Wow, they have caviar, cheese, and what? Crackers? Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're loving it.
Texas bougie. Yeah, dance.
Dance. Yeah. Careful the ledge. Watch the ledge.
Happy dance.
Happy.
Make him go all the way around. Exercise. Go for a walk, yeah. All the way around.
Oh man, that's some fluorinated watermelon. You gotta be careful. There's a ledge. One.
Okay, all done. Let's come. Yay!
Wow, Michael Phelps here.
Okay,
The dolphin.
let's go. All done. Okay, we're going for a walk. I think we missed the sunset, but we see a little bit of it, right? It's okay. We see the moon.
Or just a few past few years that it's been booming.
Uh-huh.
They always have awards like top performer.
All right, so we found a trail to go up to the top, I think, to see more. Scoop, are you having fun, honey? Yay! Okay, let's get a better view of this. That's cute. What is that over there? Ah, nice. We made it to the edge of this area. Party. Party, party. Got a little bit of sunset. A little bit. Just a tad. How's the Scoops? You're in my way. Take a picture now. Oh my god.
raisins, huh?
Can we like walk?
Huh? Why? Bear food. Very nice.
All right, we just departed ways and heading home. Hi, honey. Ready to go home? Go home and sleep, okay?
Daddy.
Daddy's coming. Can you see the stars in the sky? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Like a diamond in the sky. Oh, there's one right there. Right there, honey. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. We are back home and having dinner at Pollo Loco. I got this on a deal. And watching movies. What a day, what a day.